This is an alarm host, which is connected to the mobile phone through the distribution network, and the host is paired with the accessories. When the accessory detects an abnormal situation, the host will alarm, and the mobile phone can also receive calls and information reminder. It adopts 4.3-inch IPS display screen, RFID sensing area, basic operation interface, power button, MIC, card insertion area, audio port, USB interface, raise your voice, installation area, when inserting the card, pay attention to the direction of the SIM card. The chip is facing upwards, and the notch is facing outwards. Finally, press it in to confirm that the SIM card is installed in place. Then we plug in the power and turn it on. First, enter the main menu. Click Settings, click Language, and select the language you want. First, enter the main menu. Click Timer. Click Date Time, and set the correct time. Click Menu. Click Settings. Click Password. There are two passwords, System and User. The initial password of System is 6666, and the initial password of User is 1234. Then click Switch. Click Keypad Lock. You can control the switch status of the keypad lock. Click on, and you need to enter the corresponding setting password for operation. If you don't need it, you can turn it off in keypad lock.
Password.
Click Menu. Click Phone. Click the first one. Click the keyboard on the left. Enter the number dialed by the alarm. Open the call and SMS function, and return to the main interface. When the main unit alarms, the mobile phone will receive the call and SMS. Turn on the mobile phone Wi-Fi. Confirm that the Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. Turn off the Bluetooth. Open the Smart Life app. The host enters the main menu. Click Wi-Fi. Then click the upper right corner of the phone to add devices. Click Sensors. Click Alarm. Select Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Pay attention to the password. Is it right or not? Next. Click Blink quickly. Click Host Air Link Configure. Confirm. Host and mobile phone display numbers. Waiting for connection. Configuration OK.
System disarmed. System disarmed. System armed. SOS alarm.
The alarm host enters the main menu, clicks on Wi-Fi, clicks on Soft AP Configure, turns on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the mobile phone, opens the Smart Life app, clicks OK, clicks on the upper right corner of the phone to add a device, automatically searches for the connected device, add, waits for configuration, and the pairing is successful.
System disarmed. System armed. System armed. System disarmed. SOS alarm. System disarmed.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click Remote, click Add, and then click any button on the remote control to pair. Learning OK. Return to the main interface, so that you can arm and disarm on the remote control.
System disarmed.
First enter the menu and click Parts. Click RFID. Click Add. Put the RFID tag on the corresponding position of the host for sensing. Learning OK. Return to the main interface, so that you can use RFID tag to arm disarmed.
System armed. System disarmed.
First enter the main menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Open the door sensor switch. Select door alarm on the first line. Select 24 hours active on the second line. Confirm. Separate the door sensor to pair successfully, and arm after that. When the door sensor is separated, the host will alarm.
System armed. System disarmed.
First turn on the switch of the infrared detector, enter the self-test, and wait for a while. Enter main menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Select Panic Alarm on the first line. Select 24 hours active on the second line. Confirm, and then sweep the infrared detector with your hand to complete the pairing. After arming, the infrared detector can trigger the alarm when it senses the human body.
SOS alarm. System disarmed.
First enter the main menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Select Bedroom Alarm in the first line. Select 24 hours active in the second line. Confirm. Click the SOS button. Learning OK. After the host is armed, click the SOS button. The host can call the police. First enter the main menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Select Door Alarm in the first line. Select Doorbell in the second line. Confirm. Click the Doorbell button. Learning OK. After the main unit is armed, click the Doorbell button, the main unit to receive a REMI. First enter the menu and click Parts. Turn on the siren switch. Long press the button to hear 3 beeps. Click Siren Learn. Confirm. When the main unit alarms, the siren will also alarm. First enter the menu and click Parts. Click Detector. Click Add. Select Fire Alarm in the first line. Select 24 hours active in the second line. Confirm. Press and hold the smoke button. Learning OK. After arming the smoke alarm, the host will also alarm.
System disarmed.
Fix the bracket on the wall first, and then hang the host on the wall. The infrared installation height is 2.2 meters, and the detection angle is 110 degrees. It cannot be installed on the side of the window, or the strong light and heat flow vents. Install the door sensor on the door. When the door is opened, the host will alarm. Install SOS where needed, and press SOS for first aid in case of emergency. Install the doorbell at the door. When someone rings the doorbell, trigger the doorbell to ring. Install the smoke detector in the kitchen, living room and other places. When smoke is detected, the alarm will be triggered.